boogie nights, which is just beyond belief. But he is way out of his depth in All the Money in the World. Claire Bowen, All the Money in the World was a very enjoyable movie, clearly a huge achievement in the circumstances. The performance is very engaging, especially Christopher Plummer. His portrayal of a monster was all the better for being so apparently genial. Michelle Williams very convincing as the mother. She's got caught between money and love. Ridley Scott took a brave decision to rescue the movie, and it has paid off. Well worth seeing, especially if, like me, you were unfamiliar with the details of the events. And one more from Mark Dean, who signs his email middle-aged, whiny, and northern of Derbyshire. I felt like I was